Will I take the Algebra 1 Regents exam? Here's a flow chart that will help you understand what the expectations are for our June 23rd Regents this year. Say that you passed Algebra 1 last semester. So that was MES 2-1 on your report card and pupil path. If you did pass, we're going to explore what your opportunities are, what your options are. If you did not pass, this means that you may be required to take and pass the Algebra 1 Regents exam in order to graduate from high school. If you have an NX in your last semester's Algebra 1 course, you still have an opportunity to earn credit for that course, and you should be reaching out to Ms. Lazo to make sure that you're completing those expectations. Now, let's consider that you did pass last semester. Congratulations, you're halfway to understanding what your options are in the Algebra 1 Regents exam. So are you in danger to not pass Algebra 1 this semester? So will you have a 65 or higher, or will you not? So if you are in danger, if you get that NX for this semester for MES 2-2, you may be required to take and pass the Algebra 1 Regents exam in order to graduate from high school. Please see my previous note in bullet number 2 to ensure that you get credit for both semesters. So let's say that you passed first semester with a 65 or higher, and now you're in good standing and you're really sure you're going to pass this semester. This means that you will be granted a waiver for the Algebra 1 Regents. It's kind of like a get out of jail free card for Monopoly, right? If you get this waiver because you've earned credit for your first semester and second semester of Algebra 1, you still have the option of taking the exam, and you should discuss this with the important grown-ups in your life to decide if this is something that you and your family would like you to do. However, say you take the test and you fail, your waiver will still fulfill your graduation requirements. It's not like now you'll be penalized. So you still have an opportunity to take the exam. Everyone will be registered regardless of standing for the Algebra Regents, so you will be welcome to take the test on June 23rd. Regardless of what you and your family decide or what's mandatory, you should continue to study and complete Regents review assignments with our Algebra 1 class as we assign them. If you have further questions, you can reach out to your guidance counselor or Ms. Lazo, who is our math department head.